Floods again was inundated in Kebon Pala of Kampung Melayu, Jatinegara, East Jakarta on Saturday morning. The height of the flood submerged dozens of people's homes reached 1 meter. Floods that inundated housing settlements since Saturday early morning caused overflowing of Ciliwung River. Floods that inundated settlement was entered into the residents' houses. The residential area of Kebon Pala, Kampung Melayu, Jatinegara, East Jakarta is in need of flood subscription. Besides the settlement conditions are on lower ground, the settlement also stands right next to the Ciliwung River. Flooding also took place in the Kebayoran Baru of South Jakarta and submerged access to the main road for residents. More information we will join with Kompas TV journalist Rahmat Ibrahim in the Saturday afternoon he was there. Good afternoon Ibrahim. In the Saturday afternoon, what is the water level there? And is there an effort to deal with flooding? Yeah, at this time in the village of Gunung Kebayoran Baru, South Jakarta, flood have receded. Different from what happened when we arrived at the location in this village of Gunung in the morning, the water level reached 30 centimeters on the main road of the Bujana Road. But now it's receding. We want to show that the water level that occurred here is what we saw earlier. This is a measuring device installed by residents, and in the morning, the water level reached 50 centimeters. The height of the water can be seen here, but at this time the flood has begun to recede so quickly. After a few hours, the flood has begun to recede and the residents' activity are not disturbed anymore. I will invite you to talk with villager officer here. We will meet with Mr. Dimas Prayudi. Good afternoon, Sir Dimas. Let me change position, Sir Dimas. This morning, the flood occurred here. How is the situation and what kind of handle so that the receding so quickly? The flood has started at 7:30 and the rain volume is quite high from 5 o'clock in the morning. And we from the ranks of the village officer, including from the Water Research Institution and the ranks of POPP, PPSW, as well as the field to ensure that even if there is a puddle, it will recede quickly. While the direction of the governor when it was raining heavily from the beginning, we together with PPDM and RTRW have started to tell citizens to be able to anticipate with property in the house. Because the early warning system has been implemented, so how many residents are listed here, sir? In total, from the two places we prepared in the village of Gunung and in the Nurul Yakin Mosque, there were 29 people. It seems now has started to return to his house. I want to also show that interesting is there is a water drainage. May you show a little? This looks so swift. It means that the drainage is clean here. Have you think this disposal also facilitate the process of shrinkage of this flooded water, sir? According to the direction of the governor, yesterday because there was a water pump channel that led to the river, colleagues from the PPSU and the water resource team from the Kebayoran Baru, as well as cleaning the drainage leading to Grogol and Jelawi River. So it means that when there is a flood, the first must done is to clear the sewers. Is that considered to be very effective, sir? Yes, you were right. How next is the handling? Because I see there are some settlements there that seem to have a little puddle. The position of the puddle now is because of the position of the basin. The terrain is lower, but if you look at the time available for approximately 30 minutes, it will recede because the same water flow leads to Grogol River. Okay, last, how the solution for the future to avoid the flooding, sir? Earlier, the mayor and the sub-district had saw firsthand. The plan to be carried out was the multiplication of time by Grogol. But beyond that, all of us had invited residents, head of household or community leaders to pre-promote the sampan wells in their respective regions. Well, thank you Sir Dimas. Village chief of the village Gunung, Kebayoran Baru, South Jakarta has joined the TV Kompas today. That's the early warning system that was delivered, and also the village official came to clean up the flood garbage in a few hours could recede. This can also be used as an example and applied in several areas of Jakarta. Of course, Madam, we turn it to you. Okay, thank you Rahmat Ibrahim, reports directly from Kebayoran Baru, South Jakarta.